So we stopped here with identifying the images, the reference images we're going to use for the ship. So if I make two of the side views invisible, we have just one. I can make one of them, the other one visible. Then we have just one. Then the last one visible. That's the third image, which is really nice. What I'm going to do is leave this boundaries. They are. The images are there. I could make them invisible line and then come to the ship hole with funnels. Use that, rename this to guides, and then start with a new model. So what I'll probably do is to duplicate this and actually create a new, that's I think duplicate, copy, and create a new collection. Call it ship hole. Right click and paste. Home. And go down to object data, change it to solid. So if we start from the side, what I'll do is I'll need to sort of, first of all, draw the vertices into position before subdividing. So I'll tap into edit mode and use the create, then create here, create one here. No, that's not supposed to be. Create one here, create another one here. Then press C and G that point. Okay. Now, next thing is to we need to move this to this point here. We want to sort of allow it, make it follow this curve. But what you want to do is first of all get that vertex into the nearest curve. So I'll press C, G, and I'll need to click out. So select that G and over here. Now, one thing I could do is I could use the let's take a look at the object now. I could use the bevel to sort of bevel this, which makes a lot of sense, and we could see how that works. But it's we risk actually having multiple vertices that we need to control. So I'll go back to this. I'll put a look cut here. Now you see the look cut will eventually cut through the entire ship. Now I think we've made some changes that has affected this. We'll press Ctrl Z. So don't click outside. You need to make sure we don't make that mistake. Press C and G and move it up to that point. And one thing we're going to do is we can always compare this with other images we have as well, just to make sure we have the right thing going. So click outside to select C, select that G, to that point. Now, what you want to do at this point, you can see the ship curves down. Okay? So what you will do is press Ctrl R. Now you're going to start having cuts across the ship, which is all right. At some point, you need to decide on what you want to do with that. Well, I'm going to sort of put a cut here, close the front here, and use a knife tool instead. Okay, pull that point, just enter, and then on A to select C, make that G with that point. Now you need to have one more here, Control the cut, and select C, move it to that spot. Now you won't break these down as well. or bring it down. But what you want to do first is bring the lower one down. So select C and G and bring it down to that point. Now, next is look cuts. You could create three look cuts and then uh, select C, select C, bring the lower one, G down, select C, next one, G down, select C, bring the next one, G. Now, there's a risk that this will not exactly flow. So we can see that this set of messages seem to be not the same line. So press 3 and A, select C, break that down, G. Now what I want to explore is sort of split this into two. We have ship in two parts. So I'm going to sort of press Ctrl R, sort of do a mirror. So what I mean is sort of do a mirror of this, and then I'm going to delete one half of the ship. I'm going to press 1 and select, seek to select everything on the left to make sure you have both wireframe views button selected. Then press X and delete devices. We have just on half of the ship, and tap into object mode. Show that your 3D cursor is in the center, and then go into modifier, add a mirror modifier, and you have duplicated silo shape. So when I press 3, you can see that the lines are now properly aligned. So let's start working with move to that side. Let's look at the top here, tap into edit mode, and select C, down a bit, select C, down a bit, select. So when you just select C, let's select to G, select down, select C, select C, G. When you start looking at it, you see that the horizontal line is quite lower than the ship, so we're probably going to leave that bit. Select SB and select vertices here, and select up to this point as well. Press G, Z, and up. Level. Since it's a bit raised up here, just select, press C and G and up a bit. So I'm going to sort of hide this. So select this, double click, Control B, so it goes into, and click left click to enable, so release, then press 3, go to side, select all this, GG, move it down to that side, copy here, select, press C, and focus on that G down a bit. Same thing goes there. Select C, G down a bit, and somehow to make it shape. So I think we can leave it like that. Object view, we have something like that. Front view definitely will bring in this in, but when we look at from side view, we still got some work in front, so we're going to move it back in the next video. See you then. Yes, bye.